Another day, another greasy bun. Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and Vlogmas day 4? I'm already lost, I'm already confused. Today is Sunday. You'll be seeing this tomorrow because I'm filming all my videos one day ahead so that I can stay on schedule. And I'm sure a lot of you will be thrilled to know that today's Vlogmas video is going to be a declutter with me, or an organize with me, or a clean up the junk with me. I know that I really massively fell off the bandwagon with my attic decluttering series, and I apologize for that because I know we were all really enjoying it. I was enjoying doing it, you guys were enjoying watching it, and then I haven't done it for a long time. I'm going to pick that up again in January. That's one of my New Year's resolutions, so we'll get back into that soon. But for today we're going to be like clearing out, decluttering, straightening up the bathroom cabinet. There are some areas of your house that you can just do a big declutter on once, and then maybe just do like a little bit of a touch up here and there once a year, and it pretty much maintains itself. The bathroom cabinet is not that kind of space because you're in and out of it every day. The turnover of products is pretty frequent, and as you will see in today's video, we need to do this today because there's been a disaster. I'm not looking forward to it, okay? Also, this is a little bit preemptive because it's still like the first week of December, but I thought I may as well put it out to you guys now that my Less Junk More Joy 12-week decluttering course, my online course, is going to be starting again in January. I'm really excited. I haven't run one of them in a while just because life got a little bit crazy and I put it off, and I thought, hey, what better time to do something like that than January, where we're all ready to start afresh. We've got New Year's resolutions, we're ready to make big changes, and decluttering your life, it's a pretty big change. So I'm going to leave the information for that down in the description box. I have 30 spaces available, so yeah, I would love if you would join. But now, let's go do this thing. So here's the issue. Spillage. Also just a general mess. Let's fix it. Why do we have so many toothbrushes and so many random lids that don't go with anything? So it's a lot. So I think the next step is going to have to be going through, sorting out anything that's like rubbish or old or just needs to be thrown away, and then try and like sort out the other stuff so that there's some kind of like system. Here is our very satisfying pile of rubbish. Every time I do some kind of toiletry declutter, I come up against this face mask, and every time I've kept it, and today I'm like, no. Do I love it? No, it's not great. We've talked about this before, like declutter guilt, the guilt of being like, well, I should use it up, it's so wasteful, blah, blah, blah. If you don't love it, then it's kind of already wasted. You know what I mean? You're just using it for the sake of it, and is that really achieving anything? Especially with this peel off mask, because it's just painful to use. I mean, it's a really awful experience. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. That actually really didn't take very long at all. I'm done. I'm done. Do you believe it? I can't believe it. Let me show you the transformation. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, complete with theme song. You know, the reason that that didn't take very long is because I just did a very big bathroom cabinet declutter. When was that? Earlier in the year? Was it? When was it? In the summer? Last summer? Since the pandemic, is anyone else like very confused about what year it is and who they are and what's happening? That's just me. Anyway, yeah, I did that one really big declutter, and so even though at the beginning of this looked like a disaster zone, it's not like there were a lot of like junk products. I'd gotten rid of all the products I knew we were never going to use. So it is just a case of keeping on top of it. And like I said, this kind of situation, this is gonna get messy really quickly because you're in and out of here every single day. And a lot of times you're in and out of here when you're in a rush. Like you're brushing your teeth, like washing your face, getting ready to go to work first thing in the morning, and maybe you don't take the time you should to put things back where they belong. Things get a little bit messed up, shampoo bottles explode, you know. But this is a really great example of how a space can look very intimidating and very messy, and you might think that's gonna take me hours, and then you just put it off and put it off. But actually, I think that took me, well, not even the whole of a Bailey Sarian video, 31 minutes. So that's not bad at all. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, and done. This is probably quite a short video, I would imagine, because that really didn't take very long at all. But either way, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for watching. I think I'm gonna do a couple more decluttering videos on the run up to Christmas throughout this whole Vlogmas period. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me for another Vlogmas video. I will be back tomorrow with another one. If you do want to reserve a space on my Less Junk More Joy 12-week online decluttering course, that's a mouthful, wow, then I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. But until tomorrow, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. You are enough just as you are, and have a beautiful day. Bye guys.